everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. And Merry Christmas! Yay! It's almost here. Got my Christmas bow on. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications so you know when I upload another video. Gotcha! She's upstairs having fun. So today I fixed us some chicken and some different types of stir-fried vegetables. And yes, that is pickles that you see right there. So, the whole Christmas stuff on, Christmas earrings. I know they don't match because I don't have the matches to them. So, this is a Christmas tree. It actually matches this pin because it was a set. And this is a snowman. Can y'all see it? Oh, is it backwards? There you go. So, I'm like, why does it have to match? It's all about celebration of Jesus. So, if y'all look up the 12 Days of Christmas and what that actually was about, it's pretty cool. I'm not going to tell you. I might do a video about it, but I'm not going to tell you in this one. And then the Christmas tree that has a meaning all of its own also. So, but today is what we're having for lunch. And what I did, like I said, I've already cooked the chicken, and then I took some cabbage to cut that up, and some radishes and some spinach, and I have a small white onion. So I cooked that up, and I'm hoping to bring to y'all next year some lives cook with me. So I'm trying to work all the schedules out and everything with her school because they let us know that Class Connect's times will be changing. So I was like, again? So we'll see how that's I'm working on waiting to see how those schedules are going to change. But today's lunch, I'm going to show you. So we have some bacon left from breakfast. That was made purposely. This is one piece of chicken. It is seasoned with black pepper, kosher salt, garlic powder, onion powder, chives, and parsley. And then I have mine over here. And then, of course, our no-bake cookies. And I know I need to put the recipe up. I can't find the recipe now, so I'm still looking for that. Alright. So this is our cabbage, our white onion, the skins of radishes, and spinach. So I'll let that saute. And getting ready to plate that. My notifications. So, the pickles. What are we doing with the pickles? So, everybody knows store-bought pickles. They put an expiration date on it. Right? Alright. So there's my plate. And then I'm going to show you real quick. I'm just going to take the bacon. Bacon's already done. Just chop it up. It's just a rough chop. You know, nothing fancy or wonderful. And then put it right on top of those vegetables. So then we have those. Let me wash this forward. Somebody's going to say food, but it's my food. I'm not in a restaurant, so this is my food. Alright, my pan is still hot. So, pickles. Only a couple of weeks. Would you still eat them or would you toss them? That is the question of the day. Alright, so not as crunchy. They're soft. But they still taste like a pickle. You know what you can do with pickles? You can fry them, you can roast them. You can saute them. So we're going to try it. They do fried pickles all the time. So why not? Oh, second question. Do you drink the brine that the pickles come in? I'm talking about store-bought pickles, not homemade pickles. Of course, homemade pickles, you know what goes into that. You know, so, yeah. But do you drink the brine that goes in the pickles? We used to as kids, growing up, all the time. Let's see, the brine of pickles, olives, you name it. My dad would sit there, and my mom would go, "What are you doing?" "Yes, I'm drinking the brine." She would do the same thing, but she didn't want nobody else to know it. You know, he grew up on a farm. Of course they, you know, preserve their own food and everything. He just drank the brine. So there ain't nothing wrong with it. Still has good stuff in it. I'm not drinking this brine. So, now, because they already have salt and all that stuff in it, I am not going to put any salt in here. However, I am going to put some black pepper. Now I gotta get it out. Hold on. Because I need both hands to reach up here to get them out. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad and thankful. I was going to say good and glad at the same time. That my right hip is doing alright. So I did onion powder. I'm going to put some garlic powder on there. And then we're going to see how it tastes. I'll keep these down. You know, something else you probably could use if pickles are, you know, you see the expiration date going down, whatever, you can dehydrate. I've never thought of done it, but thinking about maybe you could dehydrate them, you know, and save them that way, or chop them up in a blender or something and make some relish out of them, and then can it up. And you're still preserving. Yeah, I got stuff underneath my fingernails. So, you know, just another way to preserve it just a little bit longer. Now, my favorite pickle is bread and butter pickles. Those are my favorite. So, put down below what your favorite pickle is. if you like pickles. If you don't like pickles, you don't like pickles. And that's okay. So, let's see here. This is what it looks like. Try to get too close because then the camera gets blurry. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh, that turned out well. Oh, that is so good. So, it's still soft. It doesn't have it has a crunch, but not like a hard crunch to it. And the flavors of the pepper and the garlic and onion powder, that brings out that pickle flavor so much more. Oh, yeah. So I'll definitely keep an eye on my expiration dates, my pickles, and be doing this again. Another thing I like to do, I want to try doing, fried pickles, dip it in a batter and fry it and everything. So I'll be trying to do that too. Oh, that made me think about a wonton. Put it in a wonton wrap and fry it up. Let's see how that tastes. That is good. That is definitely good. So those were the pickle spears. And I also have some pickle rounds. Ooh. So, these are these hamburger pickles. So I figured, we'll do both of them just to see how they work. Alrighty, so I think I've had fried pickles before. Not quite sure if I have. I haven't, but that's okay. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing with the hamburger pickles. And we'll see how that goes. And I hate throwing things away. But I'm going to eat this sucker. Ooh, that has a bite to it. So, and that was, I think like the expiration date was like last week. Something like that. Who knows? But anyway, it's still good. It still has that, that wow, wake you up flavor to it. Not sour or anything. But those are those pickles that pucker up your lips. So. And let's see here. Let's turn that up a little bit. We got the onion and the garlic. And we're going to put some pepper on it. And we're going to heat these up, cook these. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to see how they taste. this over here. And then here we go. So I'm going to show you what's in the pan. There we go. We have these pickles. We're frying them up that way. I'll do some research about making a batter and other fun stuff. Yes, my ribbon is falling. So here we go. This is the hamburger pickle. It's good. I mean, it's not as good as those, but and these were dill pickles, dill spears. And these just need a little bit longer. Except I'm missing something. I'm trying to think. There may be something like maybe, I want to say parsley or oregano. And I'm not adding salt because that'd be too much. Maybe I just need to fry a little bit longer. But there you go with that. Here's a taste of the cabbage and the spinach and the onion and the bacon. And then my chicken. Oh, it's so good and juicy. There we go. A little bit longer video, but I wanted to show y'all everything that was going on. Come along with the pickles and see what I did with them. You know, and stuck cooking the other ones. So there we go. If you haven't, we know the drill because I've already said it before. I want to thank you for coming by and watching us. And like our videos. And leave a comment. Because I will respond. It may take me a couple of days, but I'll get back to you. And y'all have a wonderful and blessed day.